Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to enable 2FA in Rocket League. To start the process, open your web browser in your PC. Now search here Epic Games. Here click on Epic Games Store. As you can see, Epic Games has opened on our screen. Now go to your username. Here click on Account. From here, you can check your account settings. Now click on Password and Security from the left dashboard. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to find the two-factor authentication section. There are 3 ways to enable 2FA in Epic Games using a two-factor authentication app, email, or SMS code. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.